So good morning students. So today let us discuss about one of the most important activity in 10th class biology. It is the first activity in the 10th class biology, that is presence of starch, a type of carbohydrate. It means how can we test the presence of starch in the green leaves? So it is nothing but starch test. So any experiment we are going to conduct, let us have remember the criteria of the conduction of experiment. First of all, aim. What is the aim? So the aim is how can we prove the presence of starch in green leaves. So next, now the first one is aim. What is the aim of this experiment? Means how can we prove the presence of starch. Number two, apparatus. So apparatus means what are the essential materials to conduct this experiment. So now what are the materials we need means here. So let us take a beaker. So this is called a beaker and a test tube. So inside the test tube a chemical is called a methylated spirit and leaves Bunsen burner and a tripod stand and asbestos stand, asbestos gas and petri dish and let us go to that. What is the chemicals we need? Chemicals. So we need here water and iodine reagent. Water and iodine reagent to test the starch. So now let us go to that. The fourth one, procedure. Here, first of all, take the green leaves and put into the test tube and pour the test tube uh, methylated spirit. Methylated spirit have to pour and this test tube keep in the beaker and pour the water in the beaker, and you have to provide the fire light by using the Bunsen burner. Keep sometimes. So what happens while heating the leaves which is present in the methylated spirit? So leaves will be loosen the chlorophyll. So that after loosening the chlorophyll, now take out the test tube and take out the leaf and keep in the petri dish. So after keeping the petri dish leaves and take iodine reagent and leave the 3 to 4 drops on the leaves. So now the leaves turns into blue black color. So means which indicates that green leaves have the starch. So when the starch is present, the leaves turns into blue black color. So this is what indicates means here green leaves have the starch. So only in the presence of light they can prepare the food materials. So this is about starch test. Next go to that about important the what is the main. Now like conclusion, let us go to that. From the above experiment we can conclude that green leaves have prepared the starch in the presence of light. So what do you see that the presence of starch will be indicated by the blue black color, and you think the solar energy transforms into chemical energy. This is we seen. Solar energy means light energy is converted to chemical energy, means here carbohydrate is forming. So here this process is nothing but photosynthesis. Now materials essential for the process of